Hello guys, welcome to our channel Digital Sculpt. Now I'm going to show you this kind of photo to this kind of. Let's do it. First step is background layer will be copy. Control J means shortcut copy. Then switch off the background layer. Then choose the file and drag it for that Photoshop. Its changes amount for big size will be fit for that photos. Then going to pen tool and cut it for the photos. Will be slowly will be cut. It means will be pretty good. Otherwise will be speed will be going for now. Will be reduce for that area. That edges will be not nice. That's what will be going for time. Will be during time will be extend, but will be output will be very nice. That's what I will tell. Pen tool will be many time, but will be final output will be very nice. That's what going for pen tool. Slowly bend every kind of will be see and watch it for small doubt and check it and cut it for that, mark it for that area. It is slowly will be cut. It means very pretty good. Otherwise will be very the total area will be collapsed. That's what I'll do. Slowly will be mark it for that area. It's pretty good in output. Then going to for control enter means select for that area. Then control J means will be separate layer. But what's the problem means will be going for reduce for that amount means reduce for that another area means it's not going for it. Then you'll be going for another layer and cut it for that. You're going for mask means it's pretty nice. You'll be going for white means reduce, black means reduce, white means white, black means reduce, white means increase. That's it. Then selection for that area, tolerance will be reduced means it's going for nice, but will be deleted after you see means that the edges will be not nice. That's what you are going to for pen tool only. This kind of also a method, but simple selection only. This is for not simple selection. This is for edges of the main area, the hand, that shoulder will be main area. That's what going for not magic tool. Only going for pen tool. Will be see means the edges will be not nice. Going for that, I think it's not nice. You see it that edges will be not nice. That's what I am going for pen tool. Then selection for that area will be pretty good for that output. I already told that pen tool will be more time, but till the output will be very good. Black and rub it and mark it for the brush tool, not eraser tool. It's a brush. Background layer that section for that area. Then going to for back that area boy background. Then choose that brightness and contrast for that only that kind of area. Then going to for brightness and contrast alt and click it for that background means it's selected for only for background only. Then going to for 3D effect for follows and click it for download for description. Then cut it for that area only for follows and set layer. Then remove for the background. Okay, like also follows, so remove back that white area will be removed. It's easy magic. This kind of only using for magic pen tool. Not going to for any kind of risk area means only for pen tool only. It's a easy way. It's a simple way will be using for only for magic tool. And then it will be control J and backside Gaussian will be reduce for high increase for the high amount. Then going for copy and reduce increase that amount for size. Then going to Gaussian bar middle of that is going for nice. Then copy for that layer into front of it. Then changes for settings means linear dodge means it's pretty good. That's what I mean. Linear dodge means going for that light area. So the bulb light bulb will be brightness will be going for that. It's pretty good. Then for group control G and like name. Then same like that going for the follows icon. The changes for copy and paste, then going for Gaussian blur, and like that. Group it for this. Now this also pretty good. And generation size, it's very little bit only for increase that Gaussian blur. Then copy and paste and going for settings, going for linear dodge. It's pretty good. Then reduce for the fill. Then going for selection of a group follows on. Then only for not one or two. That Control J means copy. Then Control will be drag means it whole group will be selected. Otherwise it will be single photo only selected. Then Control and drag it for every area for that. Then falling down of the photos and icon, the boy will be catch it. Like that only. Copy and paste will be many kind of follows and like one will be doing. I mean it's every kind of will be copy and paste and whole selection. Then going to for just for that boy only and alt and click it for means only boy only selection. You see it only boy only selection. Then only chaos means very kind of useful for every photos. It changes for that red, blue and green and RGB foam area. Changes means pretty good. Then that light will be falling on the boy. It's a falling on the below means you going for that thing. It's pretty nature. Otherwise it will be it's weird for that. It's cut and paste only. That's what I doing, paste and rub it, and changes for the settings means huge means it means copy paste and the other area will be rub it. Then shoulder and back side also will be going for light, it will be positive. Then that's also you brush tool and selection for that area. Then going for settings will be changes for that normal, that kind of area will be going for overlay. It's nice, pretty good. That opacity will be reduced. Then some amount will be rub it for the direction, will be going for blurriness. Then whole not only boy will be reduced for some amount will be decrease. Every kind of red and blue channel, every kind of channel will be changes for that settings. Then what kind of do we're going for that frame, so it will be fittings in. Then control indicator means whole that photo will be selected. Then brush tool and white and drag it for every kind of photos will be white. It's easy. Then some amount decrease that size, then fit it for here lines. It's nice. Then rub it for that area means it's backside. It's kind of 3D effects. Like it, which area you do not want means rub it for slowly. Then going to for double click. Then drop shadow means it's 3D effect. I already told this kind of only 3D effect means drop shadow only. It's going for some settings will be changes means it's going for 3D. Then changes for that whole photos will be changes for the chaos. It's up will be na whole photos will be changes for that. It's pretty good. It's nature like a original photos. It's you see it's nature. It's like a common photo will be changes for shoot only. It's click and photography. It's like a little bit shadow means it's kind of only for that light and opposite direction is shade for black. It's kind of nature original photo. That's what it will be changed. You check it for this kind of photo means every kind of photo means easy. Insta only for 10 to 15 minutes you spend for the Photoshop means it's pretty good for output. That's what you can like these videos. Thanks for that watching. Like these videos, like it. Any kind of suggestion you want, you tell about me now. Going for comment stream, type it for it. Thank you guys watching that video. And don't forget to subscribe and bell icon. Bell icon means notification will be you see. Thank you guys.